Things are becoming more and more dangerous in this modern era.
The Tibetan government in exile is preparing for elections next year. The Tibetan Election Commission announced dates for voter registration. Exiled Tibetans, or those not living in Tibet, can vote in these polls, in which the president and members of parliament will reportedly be elected. The government in exile, officially called the Central Tibetan Administration, is based in Dharamshala in India. The government in exile was formed after the 14th Dalai Lama was forced to flee Tibet. He was given refuge in India in 1959 after China occupied his homeland. In 1960, Dalai Lama called on Tibetans to elect representatives via universal adult suffrage. In 2011, the Dalai Lama devolved all political authority to the elected leader to prevent a leadership vacuum if he passes away.
All the registration should be started from 1st September, and we kept the timing until the 15th October. Things are becoming more and more dangerous in this modern era. From the commission, we are trying to scrutinize those kind of information, and we are trying our best level to cope up with those situations.
China has refused to recognize the Tibetan government and wants India to shut it down. The process for these upcoming polls has started in the shadow of strained India-China ties. This has been caused by Chinese military aggression at multiple points along the line of actual control in Ladakh. The Chinese have also refused to abide by disengagement agreed upon in meetings. India has banned dozens of Chinese apps over national security concerns. Delhi has also toughened FDI and government contract bidding rules, seen to be aimed at Beijing. Tibetans have continuously tried to pile political pressure on Beijing. Recently, they held protests against China over the COVID pandemic. They asked the World Health Organization to recall its team from China over the country's misinformation campaign. Earlier, the CTA president had slammed Chinese aggression at the line of actual control.
All this incursion from the Chinese side is happening after the occupation of Tibet. Hence, Tibet is the main issue that India and China has to deal with.
लद्दाख में जो कुछ चीन कर रहा है, आपका क्या कहना है उस पर?
हम तो यही कह रहे हैं कि भारत और अभी चीन, वैसे पहले तिब्बत था, उसका सीमा जो है उनको सन्निकरण से मुक्त होना चाहिए, डीमिलिटराइज जोन, और होल ऑफ तिब्बत उसको जोन ऑफ पीस होना चाहिए। ये परम पावन दलाई लामा जी ने पहले भी कहा, अभी भी उनका यही मानना है, क्योंकि इतिहास के अनुसार हज़ारों साल तक तिब्बत और भारत का सीमा जो है वहाँ पे सेना नहीं थे, लेकिन वहाँ जोन पीस थे, अहिंसा का छत्र था, वही होना चाहिए। तो जितना भी चाइनीज साइड से इंकर्शन हो रहा है वो नहीं होना चाहिए, शांति शांति, अहिंसा अहिंसा होना चाहिए।